So, good more on the brake, and now it's a right-hander. So, out of the fairing, body to them, left hand, body to there, right-hander, and now back in the position on slipstream. So, this is what they do. This is what they do 45 minutes long. So it's constantly workable. There's absolutely no time for a break. And this is what it makes it so hard here in Sepang. For the riders, it's a real challenge. Xavi, please join us. Xavi Verge, ladies and gentlemen, make some noise. Last week in Finland, he was on the podium. You are 100% fit, you are not sweating, so there's a difference between you and me because you are so fit. But how hard is it here in Finland?
Yes, this is so hard, like you say, a lot of humidity, and also the biggest problem in this track is the bike was so hot. All the heat from the bike, the frame, the engines, everything.
Чувак, который в прошлом году гонял, в этом году стал чемпионом суперспорта.
And also a lot of sweat from the bike, so it's a very hard race because you sweat a lot and you need to prepare before during all the weekend with a lot of water to try to stay in 100 from your lap to the last one. It's a very long track, very difficult track, but you need everything because you need good reading, good feeling with the bike, but also you need to stay very hard mentality and powerful to enjoy the race from the last lap.
So you are so fit because you train every day, so there's not a gram you lose. But do you lose kilos here in the race?
Yes, normally in the race we lose 1-2 kilos. Here especially a little bit more, and this everything of liquid. For this you need to prepare a lot before the race, because if you lose a lot of liquids or reach one moment and you cannot concentrate so good, or you can lose a little bit good fuel, and it's dangerous.
So, thanks Xavi Verge, good advice. So it's also an advice for you. Whenever you go out, for example, from the way to the launch to our box, take some water with you. Take some water with you, drink as much water as you can, so minimum 2.5-3 liters over a day. So never go out without water. And my advice also is steal this little towel, it's in the hotel, because it's quite nice if you have something to take away the sweat. Thanks Xavi for the moment. He's signing also autographs for you. We will make a group picture. Marcel Schroeter is also still here. And also here you see that he's working out a lot in the gym and everywhere. Marcel, from your point of view, how hard is it here?
It's like Xavi said, it's the Malaysian heat, the humidity, and plus the bike gets really hot. So it's you even feel more the heat of the bike than everything else. It's really incredible, especially in the end of the race. Your legs, everything is almost burning. So it's not easy. It's the same for everybody, and for me this weekend I feel quite good. So we will see tomorrow.
So last weekend in Australia you were Mr. Unlucky in the race because you were in a good starting position, both riders in front row by the way, and then the engine was not working, so you need to start from the complete back of the field. You make it in the top 10. Is it too much if I say without this you would be able to win the race?
I think we had the speed to win the race. Over the weekend I was only taking first and second.